When we talk about the area of a rectangle, we're talking about measuring the space inside the rectangle. Let's take a look at this rectangle. The length is 5 and the width is 3 units. Inside, you can count the units, or we could use the formula. Length times width equals area. L times W equals A. So we replace the L with 5 and the width with 3 and we multiply. And there's our 15 units squared. Take a look at this rectangle. The length is 2 and the width is 12. All we have to do is multiply the length times the width. So our answer is 24 square units, or units squared. For this rectangle, our length is 14 meters and our width is 12 meters. If I multiply 14 times 12, I come out with 168. I need to label it in square meters or meters squared. So remember, if you want to find the area of a rectangle, use the formula. Area equals length times width.